Hey guys, so today we are going to Coca-Cola event sa BGC, and this is my first event for this year. I'm super excited, to be honest, kasi ang tagal kong nag-rest, like mga 2 weeks lang naman. For me, matagal na yon. Ang dami kong hindi inatenan na event simula nung January 1st, and this is actually my first time. And today is January 25, around 4. Around 4, nangulan ang oras, 4:30 in the afternoon. And ayun, super excited ako today kasi makakasama ko ulit yung mga friends ko. And for sure, puksaan na naman to. And yeah, dadalhin ko kayo sa event. And yun, ewan ko kung ano yung mga mangyayari doon. So, let's go.
To the stage, the one and the only Jack.
Good evening, BGC! What's up, Coke Zero fam? We're waking up the back up.
Hey! Let's go! Her eyes, good then are shining. Her hair, without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.
I knew that it would never be the same. It's not you.
Hey, what can you say about the event?
Huh? Thank you so much for coming to my event.
Hey, Daddy!
Wala ako ng ilaw.
Ang yabang. Siya po yung pinakamayabang sa mga kasama ko po dito ng mga content creator. Say hi! To my
Hi
vlog.
po.
I'm back on vlogging.
Or,
Kakapagod mag-work.
All your 2025 with Coca-Cola!
Before we do our toast,
Hi.
I think you guys are being handed
Say
out
hi.
some Coke Zero. Right there.
This is for the vlog. Just say hi lang. It's a video. What can you say about the event?
For everyone to have their Coke Zero.
Guys, today is the next day. Kahapon yung event ng Coca-Cola, and sobrang saya kasi yun, nagsama-sama ulit kami ng mga friends ko. Although, hindi ako masyado nakapag-film, but ayun nga, super chismisan kasi, but yun, sobrang saya lang talaga. And after nun, gumimik kami nung gabi. Hindi na ako nag-film doon kasi yun yung mga bagay na ayoko talaga sinishare sa public. And yun, today is a Sunday and pupunta ako doon sa Allure, magpapa-nails ako and eyebrow lamination. First time ko magpa-nails, tsaka magpa-eyebrow, magpa-laminate na eyebrows. Ayun, wala akong suot na makeup ngayon. Ano lang ako. Nag-lip balm and then t-shirt. That's the fit. Doon my messy room. And yun nga. Let's go. Dadalhin ko kayo doon and magfi-film ako ng something. So yeah. See you guys! Morning everyone! Today is February 13. Nandito ako ngayon sa BGC to visit Gluta Aesthetica because I have a campaign for them. So, I have my Gluta drip and facial tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So, medyo busy ako tomorrow kasi I have a dinner with my friends. And then, sa gabi, gigimik kami. So, kailangan medyo fresh tayo. So, good timing na today yung schedule ko with Gluta Estetica. And it's currently 10:39 in the morning. 11 pa yung open nung clinic. So, punta ko na Zara ngayon para tumingin ng kung anong pwedeng mabili. If may mabibili. And yun, puro tayo gastos, no? So, yeah. I'll see you guys later. So, I'm here now at Zara. Parang puro bago yung ano nila dito, display. But yeah. Favorite ko talaga tumingin ng mga pants sa girls kasi ang gaganda ng mga oversized pants nila dun sa men's area. So yun. So this is my outfit pala, guys. I'm wearing crop polo lang. This is actually from TikTok then. Pants is from Okay. Loafers is from TikTok. And my bag is from TikTok as well. I love yung Bottega na Andiamo. So this is the Andiamo inspired. So yun lang. So ayun guys, 11 AM na and oh my god, sobrang init. Yung init pang summer na, kahit February pa. Minsan, kahit February pa lang, feeling ko December pa. Before pero ngayon grabe, February pa lang, super init na. Like, okay. Although I have my portable fan naman dito sa sa bag. Pero kasi, hindi pa naman ako pinagpapawisan. So, later ka nang gagamitin. And sa kabilang side, kabilang block lang naman yung clinic. So, let's go. Punta na tayo dun para makapag-aircon na, no? Malamigan na tayo. So, yeah. Let's go. So, I am here now at Gluta Estetica. There. And this is actually my first time visiting their clinic. Aesthetic clinic, and I'm super happy naman with my first session of Gluta Treat, and I'm really excited sa result niya. And this is how the aesthetic clinic looks like. They have itong pang nails, and look at the chair, parang queen siya. And this is the other side. Look at that. Grabe, ang lakas pa, like mayaman talaga. And this is located sa BGC pala, sa High Street lang. Along High Street. So, madali nyo siyang makikita when you visit Gluta Estetica. And they have like here, the music. So, yun lang. Look at that. Look. So, I am done na. Sayang, hindi ko napakita because I forgot to film the first session. But maybe pag nag-second session ako, I'm gonna show you guys kung paano talaga yung pinaka-procedure. And ayun lang. And bawal ako ayun lang, tapos may kasunod. Bawal ako mag-inom and also mag-coffee. Pwede ako mag-coffee after 3 hours, but I am not allowed to drink alcohol for 24 hours. But tomorrow naman, gabi naman yung event, so pwede na. So hey guys, I'm currently doing my makeup. Medyo mapula yung mata ko kasi nagtanggal ako ng contact lens. And then, look at my face. Uneven talaga yung skin ko pag wala akong suot na like, sunscreen. Pero makinis naman siya. It's just that uneven lang yung skin ko somewhere. There's some areas of my face na uneven talaga yung. So now I have, di ka pa malaglag yung phone ko sa sa face. So I have my face mask on na. So, yung suction, medyo masakit siya for me. Kasi dun sa isang clinic na pinagpa-facialan ko, walang suction na ginawa. Like more of like laser lang. I mean light, yung blue and red lights. And then this time, na-feel ko yung suction. Tsaka tinanggal din yung mga whiteheads ko. Although hindi naman siya ganun kadami. At tsaka, yung pimples ko. Although, hindi rin ako masyadong pinipimples. But, I don't know, lately, nagka-pimples ako sa forehead tsaka dito. Pero, konti lang naman. Yun, pinap yun ni ate. And then, may nakuha siyang something. And yun lang, ang wala. I think, sana, diba, hindi mamagaya. Sabi niya medyo namagada yung face ko. Eh, may ganap ako tomorrow night. Bawal lang ako maghilamos for 8 hours. And then, ayun, sabi ko, if pwede ako mag-makeup tomorrow, pwede naman daw. So, good tayo dun. So, I'm done now with my Gluta Drip and my facial. And I'm super happy naman kasi hindi naman siya sobrang namamaga. Mukha lang akong bagong hilamos. But, mas nafe-feel ko yung alam mo yung parang ang gaan-gaan ng face ko ngayon. And doon naman sa Gluta Drip, wala akong na-feel na anything. But, yung sa kabila kasi siya nilagay, medyo kumirot siya. So, pinalipat ko siya sa kabilang arms ko. Ayun, it turns well naman. And then, ayun, mabilis lang siya actually. Parang mga magto 2 hours na ako nandito. Kasi they opened 11 a.m. And then 1:30 na, like magto 2 na. So yun, update ko kayo sa mga sunod ko pa. I think meron pa akong isang session sa kanila. And then sana ma-edit ko yung video ng maayos for them. Yan lang. Good morning everyone. Today is February 15. I know it's February 16 already. 4 in the morning. And I'm here in Parkal for Home Credit fun run. And naliligaw ako because I don't know where am I going. I mean, I don't know kung saan yung pinaka-start ng fun run. So, yeah, let's see. So I'm currently here at the venue and I'm super excited to go on a run today. And yeah, super ingay here dito sa area. And hindi ko dinala yung mic ko, I don't know why. Because I'm just, I have my tote bag naman but I forgot to bring my mic. But yeah, I don't know where is the baggage area so I can put my things. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. And by the way guys, I am going to run with my friends. Some of my content creator friends are coming then sa event today. And this is something new to me because last night we went to a party and ayun, I think malaking bawi ito sa mga kinain at ininom ko yesterday. So let's do it, diba?
Okay. Hi, sorry. No, sorry. Is it okay if you write your data?
Sure.
But you receive naman our email?
Yeah.
Okay, so ka nag-register?
I don't know.
I think na ano ka din. Don't worry, you're not the only one.
Thank you.
Like you. I think ano siya, yung race kit holder. Para hindi fit.
Thank you.
We have food there by the way.
Ay, thank you. So, arte naman ang aga-aga. Say hi naman, Josh.
Mag-vlog ka na?
Nag-vlog na
Ayaw
talaga
nga
before.
pala.
Na ano ka lang. Na-miss ko kasi mag-diary. So, I guess, diba? What's my number? 10,140. What's your number? Pero almost ano lang din pala. Yung sa registration ko. What's that sandwich? Can I see? Yeah. Parang gusto ko ng sandwich. Hi. May hangover pa eh. I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging.
Yeah.
Good morning!
Ang ganda.
Siyempre.
Parang munyeko.
Munyeka.
Parang hindi nag-inom na isang araw.
Parang hindi mak...
So good.
Morning!
Nakakapagod. I don't know kung ilang kilometers kami, but ang saya. Because hindi ako napapawisan ng ganito katodo. But Home Credit, thank you for inviting me for this fun run. And this one is like productive Sunday talaga for me. So yeah, here's my friends. Sa likod sila. And some of my friends are nandoon. Kaso yung iba kasi hiwa-hiwalay kami. Merong 3K and there's like 5K. Pero ako, I chose yung 10K. Hey guys, good morning. Today is February 22nd. And then today we are going to Colorado Go See Day 2. Yung ibang friends ko nag-day 1 sila kahapon. And ako lang. Tsaka yung pinsan ng friend ko na si Jer. Sana magtagpo kami. And yun, I'm super excited today because this is actually my first Go See for Colorado. I think pangalawang season na nila to. But yeah, I'm hoping for the best for today and sana maging maganda yung outcome ng Go See. And mag-enjoy ako sa mga mangyayari doon. So yeah, see you! Hi! Nag-vlog ako. For my visual diary. Grabe, dito na lang kasi doon. Ang init sa baba.
Tama ba yun? Hi, Kim.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi, Doc.
I go see.